30th of April 2026. Amazon is in Powai today. Solar street lights in neighborhoods that have been waiting for reliable light for years. Bhangshil Gav, Ultan Pada and Indiranagar. 1,200 residents, zero cost to them. The question worth asking is whether this is a genuine community investment or the most carefully photographed CSR exercise of the year. Probably worth watching both possibilities at the same time. Phase 2 is where this gets more interesting. 17 municipal schools in Powai on grid solar panels, 75 kilowatts of capacity, 5,000 students and teachers. Dr. Sachin Sigwan, the solar man of India, lending technical credibility. Amazon's Saji PK and Aditya Chowdhury on the ground. Nirmati Foundation and Green India Initiative as partners. The schools get renewable energy. Amazon gets to be the company that brought the sun to a classroom in Mumbai. The community benefits are quite real. The branding benefit is equally real. But in this case, both point in the same direction. Now, I would request you to please connect this to the larger picture, which is AWS operates 2 cloud regions in India, $12.7 billion committed by 2030. Every hyperscaler is making similar bets on Indian infrastructure. The competition for enterprise cloud share is as intense as it has ever been. Amazon is making an argument that its relationship with India goes beyond server racks and data centers, that it actually shows up in the street light outside of your door and on the rooftop of your child's school. Whether that argument translates into enterprise cloud contracts, well, is a very different calculation entirely. But in a market where trust and familiarity matter, showing up in Powai with solar panels is a more memorable move than another press release about cloud capacity. 50 streetlights and 17 schools will not determine who wins the Indian cloud market, but they for sure are lighting up the path as to how Amazon thinks about presence. As a company that wants to be seen doing something tangible in the places where people actually live. And here, of course, is the front page take. Powai is glowing tonight. The real test is whether the infrastructure holds, the partnership delivers on its promises, and the communities that were promised light are still receiving it 5 years from now. That is when the story becomes legacy rather than just a launch. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.